How to use NanoBanana.ai safely. First of all, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the NanoBanana.ai website. Make sure you are logged into your account to access all features safely. To use NanoBanana.ai securely, always ensure that you are on the official website and avoid clicking on suspicious links or third-party sites claiming to provide NanoBanana.ai services. Protect your login credentials and never share your credentials with anyone. When uploading images or using text prompts, avoid sharing sensitive or personal information that could compromise your privacy. Stick to non-sensitive content for AI generation to ensure your data remains secure. Also, regularly update your browser and device software to reduce risks and protect against potential cyber threats while using AI platforms like NanoBanana.ai. By following these precautions, you can safely explore image editing and text-to-image AI tools on NanoBanana.ai without risking your privacy or security. Now you know how to use NanoBanana.ai safely. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.